Iako je proglašen najboljim nogometašem svijeta, brazilski reprezentativac te igrač nogometnog kluba Milan, Kaka definitivno je atipičan nogometaš. Poznat je po svojoj dubokoj vjeri u Boga, Biblija mu daje smjernice za sve, a u životu je imao samo jednu djevojku kojom se i oženio. Bez obzira na njegov brzi uspon, novac, slavu i činjenicu da ga se s punim pravom može nazvati pravom zvijezdom, Kaka je ostao skroman, jednostavan i normalan dečko. Za početak nam je objasnio kako mu se rodila tolika ljubav prema Bogu.
Yes, but there's my worth because when I was young, my parents every time spoke about the Bible and the words in the Bible. So I've been learning this type of things, and now I can say my worth is the Bible, my religion, the faith.
Prije nekoliko godina Kaka je imao nesreću nakon koje se nije znala hoće li uopće moći hodati, no nekim čudom je ozdravio i to zahvaljuje upravo Bogu. Zato mu jednog dana planira možda u potpunosti služiti.
I would like to go deeper on the Bible. I like so much the Bible, and so I would like to learn more about it or improve more about it. But I don't know if I'll be a priest there. But if I can do that, I would like to say the people what God is doing for me and can do for them too.
Svoju suprugu Caroline poznaju u Brazilu kada je imala 15 godina. Zaručili su se sa 16, a u brak su 2005. godine ušli nevini.
I had these things from my life and my wife's too. And so we arrived to the marriage with virgin, and we just had a sex after the wedding. Now we are waiting for our first baby, and in 25 days he will be born.
It's a boy or girl?
Yeah, it's a boy.
Mnogi bi se složili da je razlika između njega i njegovih brazilskih kolega Cristiana Ronalda i Ronalda, poznatih po aferama i orgijanjima, nebo i zemlja. Ne osuđuje ih, ali smatra da ne treba dopustiti da te novac promijeni.
No, anyone can do your choice. I don't say that they do a mistake because they choose or this type of life or to do that type of things. I chose my worth it and my type, my way to live, and this is my choice. Just it. Everyone can choose what is better for you. Money can change everything. So if you put the money before everything, for me, you are ruined. Because for me, first is the feeling. I've got first the feeling. After the money for me is a consequence.
No naravno i on voli izaći i zabavljati se, samo mnogo mirnije i bez alkohola.
Yes, sometimes I'll go out with my wife, with my friends, and some parties and some dinners. I'm young and I've got a normal life, so I don't have problem to go out, but I don't drink. I drink just a water, a juice, a soft drink. So this type of life that I think it's a good thing.
Za razliku od nekih sportaša koji izbjegavaju svoje fanove, Kaka s njima ima super odnos te ih uvijek nasmijano dočeka.
No, it's very nice to have this relationship with the fans. I like when I go out and the fans ask me a photo or a signature, but more important for me is the respect. If they've got a respect for me, it's necessary to arrive in front of me or to be my friend.
A rekao nam je što misli o curama koje trče za novcem i nogometašima.
It can happen because there is a space, or if some players give that space or that open to the girls arrive, for me I think it's normal because everybody speaks about the players, about money, about success, about the fame, and so I think that's a good attractive for not just for the girls, also for the for the bad persons, for the not a good friends, and so this type of thing can happen.
I za kraj iznenađenje za sve obožavatelje ovog prekrasnog Brazilca.
When did you come to Croatia?
Yeah, I went to Croatia once and I went to Split with the national team. It's very nice. I love it, Croatia, and so I would like to come back as soon as I can.